All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another day in the stock market. Green day, beautiful day, $652 in profit. I can't complain. Green is green, guys. You gotta treat this as points like a video game. Traded four stocks and four stocks only: BOXL, DXR, MTSL, and NIO. Again, this morning pre-market really wasn't seeing a whole lot on the on my scanners. Two stocks I was pretty much watching out of the gates. But other than that, just not a whole lot. Not a whole lot going on. I was mainly watching MTSL and DXR. NIO popped up my scanner as well as BOXL. So yeah, not bad at all. But most importantly, before we go over the charts here, once again, super proud of my members today. All my members combined profit over $7,000 in profit for all my members. I mean, we're probably I left a lot of people out. I apologize. We're probably at $10,000. Just my members alone today, just killing it. I mean, you guys see it. I talk about it all the time. $75. Just small profit, big profit. 130, 197. So 443 for this member. This member here, $1,300. So members, just extremely proud of them. They're killing it each and every single day in the market. They got it. They're learning how to trade these stocks the right way, accordingly. Easy peasy, nail and bail. This isn't rocket science, guys. I know there's a lot of people out there that try and make it seem like this is hard, this is difficult. Day trading the stock market's not easy, but in reality, it is. Let's think about this for a second. You're pushing a button on a keyboard, your mouse, to buy 500 shares. It goes up, you push another button, sell 500 shares. That's not that hard to do, right? The hard part is a mental mindset. And that's what I teach in my course, my strategy. And not only do I teach my strategy, how I trade these stocks accordingly, but to get over that hump, that mental mindset, how to find these stocks, trade these stocks accordingly each and every single day. As you guys can see, my profit, every single day. I post my P&L, make a YouTube video. You guys will see you see my overall wins, profit is far greater than my losses. So anyways, let's just dive into the chart here. So this morning, the very first trade I took out of the gate was DXR. So DXR sold it for a quick pop. That's it. So I pushed up, jumped in, and then I saw a big wall of sellers on the ask, and I just hurry up and jumped out right away. Wasn't really feeling it. So I mean, that was $224 in profit. But then NIO. So I saw NIO on my other monitor. This thing was just dumping hard. This thing was just completely washed out. I'm like, holy shit! This is a big red candle. I was like, I'm gonna jump in this thing and sell it for the quick pop. So what happens? Big washout, nail it for the bottom, and then jumped in again with more size, and it didn't pop. It started dumping. I was like, damn, I need to cut off. So I cut it off, and then I took a $163 loss on that one. So that was extremely frustrating because as soon as I cut it off, it started ripping. I'm like, you got to be kidding me. So that would have been a nice little move to actually rip like that. But like I said, I was afraid that I was just going to keep dumping because I was like, man, we just made this big red candle. I was like, we need to get a bounce right here. This first candle, we weren't really getting it. So I just cut it off. Then there was MTSL. So MTSL was hitting the scanners. However, lately, a lot of these low float stocks haven't been trading like a low float stock. Like the volume's coming in. I mean, don't get me wrong. As you guys can see, the volume came in half the day. We basically went from this $2 area up to $3.20. So the volume was coming in. It's just I don't want to sit there and watch this thing all day. I want to see the volume rip in a very short window. So as you guys can see here, it just kept going. I mean, you could have longed it for that break for a quick pop. I was just really waiting for a washout. Just really waiting for a washout. As you guys can see where I bought it, that resistance right there, resistance that finally broke, that body, basically buying off right here. This window. Let me get my little draw tool here for you guys. Just bear with me. Please be patient for 1 second here while I get this. If my computer would ever load. It is working. Here we go. So you guys can see right there is that area that I'm basically, was once resistant. You're basically looking to act as support, which is why I jumped in again. And this time, so basically, as you guys can see what it did here, washed out in the next green candle. That's actually exactly what I was looking for. I was looking for, that dump and the next candle to really rip. But it is, I don't know. At this point, I was just just the tape and the level 2 just looked very weak. So I was like, I'm just gonna cut it off. $90 in that one, nothing crazy. And then the very last trade I took today was BOXL. BOXL, now we know that this one, again, is a former runner. This thing could really take off, so I was like, I like it. I'm going to jump in here with a little bit more size, but I didn't want to chase it. So you guys can see the volume, again, it was coming in. It kept peaking, kept going. I'm like, I'm going to jump in for the pullback. I'm going to jump in for the little pullback, have a tight stop, look to add if I feel like the tape speeds up. So looking here again, because you see that little resistance, it pulls back, jumped in, rips, and I sell it right there into that candle. And that was it, ladies and gentlemen. That was all she wrote on the day. As you guys can see, pushed up, and it faded all the way back down. Same with NIO. NIO, you know, pushed up, and then basically came almost back down at the end of the day, back to, you know, when it went from, went up and it came back down. Blah, I can't talk. I'm tired. I'm hungry, guys. So anyways, man, tomorrow's Thursday, right? I think, yes, tomorrow is Thursday. I keep track or lose track of time when you're enjoying something that you love. Anyways, as always, guys, you know, just be careful, be safe. You know, pretend you're a hunter and you're going out to go hunting, and you're only allowed X amount of bullets. Save your bullets. If you're not feeling it, you know, if you only have a $1,000 account, $2,000 account, just save your bullets. Wait till the market picks up. The market's been really rough right now, which is, you know, I've reduced my position size. I'm not going larger with size. Once I see the market pick up and get hot again, I'll basically switch over back to jumping in with larger size for, you know, those setups and those moves. But as always, guys, I hope these videos truly help and educate you in some shape, way, and form. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're stopping here for the first time, please hit that subscribe button in the face, guys. And I'll see all you dudes in the next video.